The price of one Polymesh/Polyx coin right now is $0.23211421. In the past 24 hours, it has gone down by 6%. The price of Polyx ended higher than it started 50.6% of the time. The most Polyx that has ever been bought or sold in our base was $0.3540462 3 days ago. The price is now 34.43% lower than that all-time high. Out of 17 technical indicators, 10 say to buy and 2 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction opinion is bullish. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is currently at 56.36, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 45.66, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Our Polymesh price estimate says that the price of Polyx could reach $0.2715738 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think the price will be $1.19 in 2025 and $2.15 in 2030. Taking all of these past highs and shorter-term predictions into account, the estimate for 2040 is $6.31. In 2024, $0.2809767 is what people think the price of Polymesh will be. That is the most that our forecast can say. The bullish time Polyx has been going through this past week has given Polymesh investors returns of over 4.8% on their money. Based on our study of Polyx's technical signs, we think that the price might go down a little soon. Looking back at Polymesh's past prices and the market, Polymesh is worth $0.232502 right now, and it is ranked number 162 among all cryptocurrencies. 745,714,603 Polymesh tokens are in circulation right now, and the market value of all of them is $173,365,897. The price of Polymesh has gone down by 5.89% in the last 24 hours. It has grown steadily over the last week, adding 4.88% to its value. Investors in Polymesh are happy with the return on their money this week, thanks to this rise. The price of Polyx has gone up by 100.9% in the last 30 days, from $0.11573 to $0.116772. This has raised the market size to $173,365,897. You should wait until the next bear market to buy Polyx if you want to buy Polymesh right now. The price of Polymesh has gone up by 78.29% in the last 90 days, from $0.130407 to $0.102095 or more. Predictions for Polymesh prices and the market. The crypto market is known to be very unstable, so it's hard to say what the price of Polymesh will be in the future. The price is also affected by a lot of other things. Because of this, you shouldn't use our predictions as financial advice. Instead, you should do your own study. Before you decide what investments to make, talk to a financial advisor. How much will Polymesh cost in 2023? We think that Polymesh will reach a high point of $0.418504 as the market starts to recover from the crypto winter. The lowest price that could happen is $0.279002, and the most that could happen is $0.348753.